Hi team, good morning all. Sorry for the delay today, so we can start on time today. So the next thing what we have to let's brush up with the last session. So could you please mind telling me like what are the last session we have learned so far? So what are the things we have seen in the last session?
Plugins and creating one
Sorry, what
COE.
was it?
Installing plugins
Okay, we installed plugins and
one created one COE.
we saw about COE
That's
data model, right? And today we will be learning about the plugins we saw, HRSD data model, I mean the COE data model we saw, tables and hierarchy we saw yesterday about how the case and below case tables has been working. Licensing part I will be taking on the go as of now. Plugins I already showed you yesterday. Now we have to move to HR case management actually. Okay. So today we will be learning about how to create a HR service and how the topic category and the topic detail will be working along with it. Did you people have any doubts with the yesterday's session?
Actually, who is the super user as a platform admin is the super user or the HR admin is the super user? Because when I log into HR admin, then we can able to see the HR scope application. So just want to check who is the super user. And,
What do you mean by supervisor?
super user means like platform admin is the super user or HR admin is the super user, because whatever roles HR admin is having, same roles is having the platform admin also. So what is the
No, no, no.
difference between?
See, for every scope application, their admin is the super user for that particular scope. Okay. First of all, for example, HR admin is the super user for the HR. That's it. But overall, platform admin is the super user actually.
Okay, and platform admin can do mm, can
If
maintain the
he
HR scope.
has the role of HR admin, he can do anything in the HR.
Okay, and that is not mandatory for the platform admin, right?
That
That
is not
particular
mandatory.
role.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Usually
Okay.
what we do, we used to assign the HR admin to the respective person and we remove this HR admin from the system admin actually.
No.
Because
Okay.
system admin should not have access to view the profiles, HR profiles and all actually.
Yeah. That's
So that's the
the
reason
rules.
we used to apply it to the respective person and we remove for others.
Yeah. And I could not find the COE table, that licensing table. I could not find where it will be, where we can see that particular table.
COE configuration.
Yeah, COE configuration. We have the table name called underscore license, right? So I could not find that table in the.
No, that's not a table. That's actually UI page kind of stuff.
Okay. Okay.
And Prachi, HR admin can able to see these things, right? Sensitive information.
Hmm.
Okay. So if you should not see means how can we restrict?
I mean, who should not see in the sense?
HR admin.
No, I don't
HR.
understand.
So HR admin also able to see the sensitive information of HR profiles, right?
That thing I will be letting you know. Like, for example, HR admin was provided to US region, UK region people in the sense how to restrict or segregate the data only for their location users. This thing
Okay.
I will be coming up. Okay.
Okay.
Sharing my screen.
Hey, Presi.
Yeah.
Actually, I have enabled the HR module, but I don't see HR admin role in the list. Can I share my screen?
Yeah, go on.
Let me know if you're able to see my. Okay, I try to share my screen, but okay. Let me know if you're able to see my screen. Okay.
Yes,
So what
okay.
happened? I have created one user and I try to give the HR admin role. Okay, but I can find only admin role.
1 minute. Can you,
You see,
which plugin you have activated?
HR human. Right. Just a second.
Core.
Core.
Can you go to this administrator guy?
Yes, this is administrator guy.
On the administrator guy profile, can you go on?
Yeah.
No, just to click view in the default view. This guy is having HR admin, right? Default. No. In 99 roles, you have to in the role you just put SN underscore HR.
Okay, this right.
No, not this one. SN, in the role you just search for SN underscore HR. This is the one. Core admin. Core.admin. No, this is the one.
Okay.
Generally, if you want to provide anybody's the admin role in the sense, see here it is coming up.
Okay.
Fine, working now.
Just a second. Yeah. Even HR admin, they have given all the access. That is, I don't know why. Okay.
Okay. Below COE, you have topic detail and topic category. Okay. Two main things we have to learn in HR. Topic category and
Prasi, I have one question before we going on topics. Okay. So now you have told, right, we have created the COE and other things. Suppose now mostly, right, these things will be not created manually by company, right? Because they have all the data in this department and everything will be in the LDAP, right, available. So, so they will definitely, right, do the integration with the LDAP and then pull this data, right, directly instead of creating manually.
yeah. See, this is for some people, those who bought ServiceNow as the basic form. If the people have PeopleSoft, Workday, or some other technology which is already working with them, but still you have to, what to say, like they will be upbringing their COEs over here, but still the work will be same. The format of flow process will be same like this.
Okay.
Only one thing, the import you will be doing. That's it.
Okay.
Import in the sense also in the HR scope, you will be importing the tables only actually. What are the HR things you have, you will be importing it. So now my first thing is that category, topic category. Okay, let me take one example at first. Let me take this payroll table as an example. For payroll table, I have two categories. For this payroll table, I have two categories. One is payroll administration, another one is time and expense management. In the payroll category, I have this topic details. Topic details is like a subcategory or the topics that is come under this category. So this is like direct deposit setup, discrepancy, payroll system, kind of stuff. And here in the time and expense, we have corporate credit card request. Only one thing we have. We go for topic, this one. Here you will be having topic category as a parent and this topic detail as a child over here. Now, if I go with time and expense, you will be having only one record, that is corporate credit card. Same way, if I go for payroll administration, I will be having three things. So it is like a category and a subcategory kind of stuff. Okay. Now, why do we do this in the sense? For example, for a COE, there will be multiple subdivisions within them. For the onboarding user also, they may be having multiple other subtopics or subcategories will be available as in branches within them. So in order to come, for example, for talent acquisition also, you will be having multiple other management within them. So we will be going into the subcategories or subdivisions within the same COE. So that's the reason we are coming for the topic category and topic detail. So where do we make use of this topic category and topic detail in a sense? Create the HR services. So now under HR administration, if you see, there is an HR services, manage HR catalog, HR template, HR service configuration. Here only, we are going to. Here we have multiple other, see, like in record producers, or you can see service catalogs. For example, let's go for ESE itself as of now. We don't have it. I'm going for the ESE portal. We don't have it in the syllabus, but still I will be catching up with ESE portal. Instance name come ESE. If I type, then it will be giving me the Employee Service Center portal to me. Here, by nature, this guy will having only the IT related stuffs. Okay. But I'm going to activate the HR related steps also. For that, I have to go for plugins. Search for taxonomy. This will be like in family, each and every family will be called as a taxonomy, right? While we're doing our higher schools, you will be learning about taxonomy things and all. If you are in the biology kind of field. Here I have HR taxonomy. Now I have to install this HR taxonomy to view HR related details in the ESE portal. I'm installing it. So once I install those topics, here IT and another one HR will be visible to me. So as you see, these are the knowledge articles that is available from the IT alone. Even though if I click the software issue, it will be bringing me the service catalogs that is related to, for example, if I, all these are articles, if I give request in a sense, all the backend service request will be shown over here actually. If I give IT. See, creating this kind of ad network device, adapt cloud creator. These are coming from the maintain items. What we create our normal record producer and service request. These are from the IT related stuffs. So here it is showing you some of the quick links because people used to search for password reset, these things and all. So these things are shown up. So under employee centric, I have the taxonomy. I click on this employee taxonomy. Now I could see IT, risk and compliance, and HR. All these things I could see up over here. Contributors also I could see up over here. Still running up. Even though I could see the HR, I can't see that HR thing in the employee service center. These are the taxonomy that is there in the out of the box, but still you have to activate those taxonomy through the plugin. Then only it will be visible in the employee service center portal. Okay. Now So now I could see what? HR services. If I click on HR services, I could see pay and time, benefits, onboard HR system, and some other things also over here. Now if I click on browse all, it's open a new home. From home, it is HR system. Now it is showing me, see, request corporate credit card. These are coming from the HR service, request relocation assistant. This is my HR services. If I go for search for request relocation assistant, request corporate credit card, request drug screening, 401 plan K, all these things coming up in my way. Now if I take, for example, request corporate credit card, because this is coming from the payroll, So I'm just taking this one as an example. Okay. Here, my badge is HR, and my fulfillment type, which is nothing but whether we have to run the workflow, flow designer, or some other flow. It is giving us some kind of advanced one. I will show you how to make use of this one. But now my topic category is what? Corporate credit card requests. My topic is corporate credit card requests, means so its topic category should be time and expense. Time and expense already get mapped to what? Time and expense already get mapped to HR payroll case. And now if I see corporate credit card, time and expense, it coincides with what? COE of HR payroll. We have a template and a record producer to it. So this is the HR template. Name, short description, priority, skill and assignment group will be HR tier 1 group. They already set it up in this way. And my record producer variables. This can be HR service, but still if it want to appear in the ESC portal, you have to create a record producer to it. So if you see, when I'm creating a HR producer, I should give the direct that particular COE table name, and rest of the things will be applicable from the template. See, this is coming from the request short description. And my accessibility is from the category. Catalog is human resource catalog. This is the code that will be defaultly should be added for any HR related item you will be adding from the system. And as usual, it has 3 variables: employee name, immediate supervisor, business justification. 3 things it has. And usual catalog item, category and all, it just has. One related knowledge article is also available for them. And the assigned topic for this one is request corporate credit card. We already seen this topic. Okay. In the taxonomy of employee center portal, under the topic onboarding, under the path of HR/onboarding, we can see this topic. That is the meaning for this particular line. For example, if I go for onboarding, I could see this one. See. Now if I go and create one record from there. Can you see the same 3 variables over here and the related one knowledge article over here? So here I have to provide the employee name. Submitting it. Now I could see a new HR case has been created in the backend. But state has been closed automatically by itself. Some checklist has been we have created, but the state now is closed incomplete, which means some advanced script is running in the backend. So that's the reason. So if I go over here and search for HR cases, I open all. This is the last one what we created. Like if I open it up, it should be in the payroll table. Yeah, that is correct. Rest of the things, assignment group and all coming from the template. Some checklist are over here. So this is how a record, once you create a HR service related to that, you have to create one record producer and you have to give the exact taxonomy with the topic on it. So once you provided all these things, your HR service will be visible in the system. But now something that should not be appear in the portal, it should be like an only for the individual purposes. In that cases, you will be creating some HR cases. For HR services, let me create one new for the COE, what we have. The new COE which we created yesterday is our remote job. Still it is not visible. Let us make it visible. Create a new HR services is remote job. Okay. Let's create as contract employee relaxation. Value will be auto-populated. Batch can be HR, IT. Only 2 badges we have mostly. My fulfillment type can be a manual, service-related activity, workflow, advanced flow designer. Let me give it that one as manual. Topic detail, I'm going to give, but I don't have any topic detail as of now. I have to create one. Yeah. Before that, I have to create one topic category. My COE is remote job and my category is like contract employee, submit. And my topic detail, contract employee, relaxation. So according to the company, if they are contract employee, they can take this particular relaxation of remote jobs, remote works. But full-time employee has to come for office. Now I have to create a HR service based on it. I am going to search for the topic detail. Topic detail, we choose as relaxation, right? See, relaxation. Once I select relaxation, topic category and COE will be auto-populated. And this one is like an interesting topic, open for and subject person. Open for is something like, for example, I am the manager, okay? And Shiva is my employee, for example. So what happened? Shiva is very good. He's performing very good. So I'm going to recommend a appraisal to Shiva for the organization. So what I will do, the request will be opened by me. Opened by me, default for open for or approver. And my subject person should be the Shiva. So I have to default for subject person or assign the task. This is my subject person and this is my stuff. I'm going to save this one as of now. I saved it up. So some basic HR service I created as of now. Now if I go for COE service, the HR remote job is not open. Let me refresh this one and see. See, once I added the HR service, it is enabled now. Any questions on this?
First category, then topic details should come, right? Ideally. Then
Ideally,
here we are getting topic detail first, then categories are selecting automatically.
Because think in this way, if you select COE in the sense topic category and next you have to select the topic category and topic detail you have to select. But topic detail is the most accurate one, right? You need some relaxation. It comes from some other topic detail. So at first you will be selecting the topic detail alone. Based on the topic detail, which is already mapped to topic category and COE, it will be auto-populated.
Okay.
So let's create the HR service. Sorry, HR case. Create new case. So search for employee or a case number, okay? Going to search for Mr. Benjamin person. This is the employee information about that Benjamin. And I'm going to select the HR service, which is called contract employee. Contract employee relaxation. Automatically COE will be populated. Opened it for subject person is coming up. Opened it for usually who created this one can be also opened it for. Or it can be like in same person also. Now I'm going to create a case.
Here open for means the target person, right?
Yes.
Subject person means same.
Same.
Sir, I didn't get here subject person and open person. Open for.
Okay. This can be a person who is me. Okay. Okay. Subject person is for this is the person I am raising this request. That is the meaning. Okay.
Okay.
As I told you earlier, I'm your manager. So my name could be here if I want. Okay. Otherwise, it can be a same person and same subject person also. That is the meaning. Open for will be who is opening this particular one.
Okay.
And to whom they are opening it is the subject person. This is like requested for, requested to. Opened for is requested for, requested for, and requested to is the subject person.
Okay. Got it.
Now I opened a new HR case. Okay. If you have template in your HR case, you can fill up other details. Assignment group, priority, anything. Okay. All these things you can complete it using some of the template creation. Template creations, we can move a little bit forward. Okay. Now, another thing I want to show you is the bulk case request. This is an important topic in HR, okay? Now what happened? In your organization, only the server team is going for the outing. But from by the office expense, they are going up, okay? The company has allocated 5,000 for each head. But now in the HR view, they have to create a case. For example, taken this way, for a server team, they have given 5,000 as some kind of bonus for everyone. Okay, for some of the appraisal or something else. Now, what they will do, HR team, they will create a case in the system, and they will send 5,000 for each and everyone. Okay, once they received it, they have to give some what to say, like some kind of confirmation from the team, then only that case will be get closed. This is the one. Now, HR cannot go and create a case in like create new case, create new case, create new case. No, they can't do like that. They have to go and create this one based on some of the HR criteria. Or based on some of the user criteria, what do we follow. But here, I'm just going to show you one example. Name is going to be and the HR service is going to be under some kind of total rewards or something like that. I don't see anything like that. Okay, let's give this one as tuition reimbursement inquiry. And now I'm going to save this one. Now I have to set the user segment groups to whom. I can upload a list of file, username or email template over here. Okay. Else I can choose the HR criteria or some other user criteria. Okay. Or some of the HR profiles. HR profiles I can save like can choose some filter. Like this, I can choose any people or I can choose any of the user criteria.
Can't we import a Excel sheet by giving all names?
Yes,
Is
yes.
there an option?
Yeah, yeah. Otherwise, it can be you can upload a sheet of users also. Okay. But due to this HR criteria, 0 users selected. So I'm not going by this. Let me go by US user. I selected 144 users now. Okay. And cost can be 5,000. This is like any kind of courses they're going to do or something. In that case, you can add this user segment details. I'm going to save this. I added these things. Now there is a button appear over here called create cases. Okay. So if you see over here, for 144 people, 144 cases will be created.
Individually behalf of them, right?
Yes, yes. Was added to the queue. It will be creating cases as of now. It is requested. So on behalf of it, the user count, it will create 144 for the 144 users, it will create that case. I'm not sure whether some of the things running in the backend, but mostly it will create once we click on that create case button.
Can you click again once more?
It's not. State isn't requested. As it is reimbursement, I think it needs some approval or something. Okay. Let me do with other, see, as I given something, it is asking for which course and what is the course date and it. Let me try it for another one. See, based on that user segment is changing. As it is reimbursement, I think there are some approval flows needs to be run on the back end. That's the reason it is not coming up. Criteria, HR criteria, same US user, logged up. update, state is ready, create case. It is in progress. See, it started created 90, now it is created 144. Now, if you see the open forest, Dolly and subject person is same, but still, if you choose the right proposal in that, you can create open for as your name. Opened it for system administrator. Create case. You see, opened it for and subject person is different. This is the bulk case request. Any questions on this one, guys?
Any difference between opened for and opened by?
Opened it for is like requested by and requested to.
Yeah, if I want to open, I'm the person logging into the machine, logging into the portal, and just I will give only for the subject person. So automatically, my name will be appear in the opened for.
Opened it for.
That is the
Yes.
default, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Any questions? Shall we move on to the next topic?
Yes.
Okay. Now, if you have seen the create case, how to create a HR service and this thing. Now let's see how we can create the templates. HR templates. HR SN underscore HR underscore core underscore template is the table name. Even though here, if I give HR, under HR services, I could see my HR templates. Against the HR services, the HR templates will be created. Template name is contract employee relaxation. Okay. The table is remote job. And what field, what value? Include some basic items. Link some other templates. Okay. What is the linking element to it? This is like the field used to link the child back to the parent. Okay. If you choose some other, if you choose, for example, assign to, then it will be mapped to the user group. Next related child template. Any other child template means some other template you can choose it up. And next related template. So you can choose 1, 2, 3, 3 options over here. So your today's brainstorming one is what happen if you don't give any template over here, but still you provided only the next related template alone or this one alone. Then what is the template it is producing when you are creating a new HR service in the system? Are you getting my point? Same way for the reference field and the reference template references. You have to check all these things we can see tomorrow, but I want you to look it into this one of child references and next next related child template. This is our new UI. This is our classic UI. Mostly we are not doing it in the over here. We will be doing it in this switch new UI only. Any other skills that you need to provide it for the HR, then you can add that skills also for the assignment group. Now, if I go and create a new HR case, mhm, it doesn't map because it doesn't map that template over here. Let's map it. Now I could see my template is appending. See? Skill is also appended. Any other questions?
Ma'am, do we get real-time scenarios for practicing this course?
Once we complete this topic, we will be getting one assignment for this one. Like
Okay,
HR
because it
template,
was not.
HR skills, HR template, HR skills, few more topics are pending. Once we complete those, you will be getting one assignment on this.
Thank you.
Okay, maybe today is Thursday, right? Oh, no, Wednesday. So Thursday. So Friday, we will be completing those topics. I can provide you the Friday assignment. Saturday and Sunday you can complete, and Monday you can report to me on the same. Fine. Tomorrow we will be seeing the employee service center in detail. How to create this banner, blah, blah, blah. How to create a new context in it. This kind of information you will be seeing in the tomorrow's session.
So mostly
And
users use this employee service center only, right? Instead of this.
Yes.
Okay, sure. This is for developer, right? To develop to configure
Backend
things.
is for developers, yes.
Okay. Okay, fine.
Is it interesting or how it is actually?
Yeah, it's interesting, but getting confused. Like these are very new terms, right? HR
Huh?
service. These are very new terminology, right? Getting confusing.
Terminologies, yes.
So we are getting confusing between like HR service, HR template, and HR case. So it takes time, definitely.
Once you created one example or one of the thing, no, then you will be make sure that okay, this is how it should be working. This
Yeah,
is
that's
the
why
way
I'm
we have
asking
to do
real-time
that.
scenarios.
Yeah, assignments will be provided to you. Don't worry on that part.
Okay.
Any other questions? Yeah, Venkatesh.
Is there,
Yeah, Venkatesh.
is there any process flow that we need to follow? Means like first we need to create COE, letter category.
Yeah, that is it. COE, topic category, topic detail, HR service.
HR
Once you
service in
created the
HR.
HR service, create template, and then what is that? Create flow. I mean, workflow, work design, and these things and all. No, you have
Yeah.
to do create record producer to visible in the portal.
Yeah. Do you have any diagram like that? It will be very useful while creating, while doing the assignments or to learn the topics topic wise. Means like first what we need to do, like that we can able to see. Is there any diagrams such like that? No, this
Background scripting and all I will teach you. You have multiple background util scripts actually for this one.
no process
And
flow means like first what we need to do like that the process flow first COE after then category after then HR case or something.
no, this is
Means like
the way
So,
actually. COE, topic
Prissy,
category, topic detail.
he can refer the HRSD guided setup for that, like creating the groups and that. If you go to guided setup, you can able to see that guided setup. See now this. So basically, I think we have directly go to HR configuration. Better to follow this flow. That will help us actually.
We can see on itself, okay? This thing can be learned very easily, okay? I'm going by the syllabus, what I want to be go on, okay? HR groups, roles, all these are like how do we do for the IT only. For example, if I do get started, create an HR group, set up HR user group and manage the group users belong to be. If I click on configure, it will be taking to the normal user group only for me. But only one thing, it will be under the human resource code. I have to create a new group.
Where did you get this, ma'am?
Huh?
Where did you get this? I mean, where is the path that for HR
That
guided
is,
setup?
Under all menu, you can find the HR guided setup.
Oh, okay.
here, if you give for guided setup,
Hmm.
under HR administration, you will be getting this guided setup.
Okay.
Thank you.
Is it like just to practice for ourselves, or?
You can practice it. It will be very basic, like creating a user, template, HR service, HR case, and up to lifecycle event management you have. But still, it doesn't dig deep. It's like an basic things, okay?
Hello.
Any other questions?
Yeah, I have one question on that. What is the difference between COE and topic categories and topic details and HR services?
COE is like an department within the HRSD, okay? HRs will be multiple HRs like talent acquisition, as I said earlier. Topic category and topic detail are the subdivisions within that same COE itself. HR services is like how do we create a record producer in the ITSM? How do we go and do some service catalog items? Same way it will be working. For example, in IT, you will be having ITSM top. Below, you will be having hardware, software. Below hardware, you will be having multiple hardware devices. Below software, you will be having multiple softwares. These are like category and subcategory. Based on this, whenever you go for a service catalog, you will be selecting a category and subcategory and you will be submitting the service catalog. Same way over here, it will be called as COE, topic category, topic detail, and HR service.
Uh, I seen one of the video on YouTube on HRSD. COE is, for example, COE has 1,000 employees on that. On topic category is 3,000, 5,000, and the topic details is 1 lakh, and HR services is 5 lakhs. They increase the number of the employees on that.
I'm not sure
Hello.
what is it actually. And what terms they have made you to learn on this, I'm not sure.
For example, COE. Okay,
Yeah, go on. COE is what?
I am seeing one video on YouTube on here, COE and topic categories and topic details and HR services.
Hmm.
I think COE has, for example, COE has 1,000 employees. I think COE
Hmm.
is and topic details we have 50,000 employees. I think.
No, I'm not sure what is it all about and what is the context they are trying to explain in that video. Generally, you can take India as an example.
So Percy, he's saying that based on the count, right, they are creating this, right, topics and COE, right, like segregating
No,
the departments and everything.
no, it's a segregation of topics only, I could say, like segregation of divisions within it, I could say. Maybe COE can be in top HR1. Below that, it can be something like this. For example, if you take the payroll system itself, for time and expense management, there can be a few more HR. Below the top HR, you can have 2 more HR to manage it. And this corporate credit card request can be done by multiple employees. It can be like that, mostly. What is the context they're trying to explain you?
Ma'am, one more question. When we are trying to install these plugins, na, so the time load demo data option will be there. So by mistake, if we didn't check that and install, na, so what if we again wants to load that demo data? If we by mistake if we skip that, is there
Go
any
to the
option?
same plugin actually.
Okay,
Go
then
to the same plugin. It will show you the that option of load data. You can load the data after it.
oh, even after installing, can we?
It will show an option for you to do that.
Okay, fine. Thank you. I thought to uninstall the plugin and again install. That works.
No, reinstallation is not possible. Like for example, if you have this, no, it will show you over here load demo data.
Okay. So only that 4 plugins, right? You were told that
Yeah.
like lifecycle events, HR application scope, core, and employee. More thing what?
Yes. Shiva Krishna, I think the context what you've seen is like this. Take India as an example, okay? You have different type of ministers: finance minister, home minister, education minister. Consider they are the COE, so they are like finance minister. These people are one people, okay? Consider them as COE. Below that, you will be, for example, if you take finance minister as an example, below that you will be having what? N number of IAS and IAS officer and revenue officers and all. Consider that as topic category, because finance cannot be handled in the word of finance. It will be like an revenue. The finance will be for the budgeting, blah 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 blah. Multiple categories within that, right? These are will be handled by multiple other IAS officer or government officers. And below that, you have another subdivision called for India. If you consider, each and every state should have one finance minister. They will be considered as topic category. Topic detail will be like each and every district will be having some other people. Like for example, finance minister is one person. For every district means 32 district is going to have 32 topic category. And within that 32 category, each and every district place, in a sense, around 200 plus districts, it will become up. Below that, HR services, each and every services has different one. Getting a bank loan or giving some refunds or giving some relaxation to the funds. All these are HR services. So in that category, in that context only, they will be telling about the numbers within it.
Okay. I got it.
Okay.
Okay.
So let us meet tomorrow, guys. It's going beyond the time I have next session to be get connected. Thank you, everyone. Bye.
Thank you.
Thanks.